Hi KingFit friends and fans, this is Andrew, and today we have a drill that you probably haven't seen before. Now before we get started, I want to let you know I got my IDIF boxing hoodie on from Izzy Does It Fitness Boxing here in Chicago. Izzy's is still a great boxer, trains a lot of great boxers as well, so check him out. And of course we're at EKF here in Edgewater, Chicago. That stands for Extreme Kung Fu. It's an awesome mixed martial arts studio. Great people, great coaches. You really can't go wrong. So feel free to stop by, do a drop in if you're just visiting Chicago, or join the club. It's a great place to be. Just let them know I sent you. Now, the only piece of equipment we need besides some gloves for this drill is a piece of rope. All right. I get some weird looks sometimes when I do this, or I used to, but it is an awesome device that sometimes for me substitutes out the double end bag. The double end bag kind of comes back at a pattern, right? You hit it, it kind of comes back, and you kind of get used to the pattern. The rope doesn't give you a pattern. It's going all over the place, right? It's kind of whipping back at you. So I can just leave that out there. I have to react. It's coming back at me at different speeds as it's whipping back. If it gets too close, I can work my distance. Okay, now it's so close, I'm working my hook. If it's way out here, I can keep my ones and twos going. Can slip. If it gets too close, oh, it's back inside. I can throw my hooks, my uppercuts. So you can really play with the different distances, the different ranges there, as well as working your accuracy, because you're hitting a very skinny target. So you're going to work accuracy. It works your reaction time because you're having to react to something that doesn't have a pattern. Another great thing is it's very cheap to just throw a rope, in your basement or something like that. Throw it on a tree in your front yard or something like that, and just hit the rope. Different lengths will give you different feels. So feel free to explore, be creative in how you use this. But I think it's been a great asset to my boxing, my accuracy, my speed, my reaction time. So let's get a rope going and punch at that. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below, or you can reach me at kingfittraining.com. Hope to see you soon. Take care.